So now that we've put an item on hold, we've checked an item out, I want to see what my status is on a lot of those. And we can do all of that by accessing my account. We can look on the loans, those items that we currently have out, the holds, those items that we have on hold and are waiting to come back in, the wish list, those items that we have saved, rated titles, those ones that we have read and we have rated, recommendations. Now, those aren't recommendations for us. Those are recommendations that we have gave Overdrive in order to order, the history that we've had, as well as our settings. So if we go into the loans, this will show us the books that we currently have out. Those are the ones that we just put on hold, one that I'm currently listening to, and a few other ones that I've been reading. Then we can go over to the holds. And there we have the hold that we placed earlier in the video sequence, which is the Dark Worlds of H.P. Lovecraft. But there's also the City of Ghosts. Our wish list currently there's the Count of Monte Cristo that I had put on earlier, as well as a few other books that I found that I really want to do a deep dive into. Now, our rated titles, I haven't rated anything yet, so it's blank, but there's those recommendations that I mentioned before about the Squirrel Girl. I've also recommended An Absolutely Remarkable Thing, as it's a fantastic title. Okay, so that's using, and then we've also got the history. And here are the books that I've taken out. I read that a couple of times. I've been listening to those. And then finally, the settings. If I wanted to change my automatic defaults, if I wanted to change my audience default, I can actually change the dyslexic font there as well. So that is your account. Next, we're going to do some deep dives into the search engine.